Hi guys, this is Sherry from Cherrybeer Cottage. You know, I never got to show you my finished dangles, and I did I did like 3 videos, and I was having technical trouble with my computer and my phone, so I had to just scan it. I did put a picture of these on Instagram, so if you wanted to go there, you could see a picture of these. But here I thought I'd explain a little bit about what's in them. So yeah, let's go through some of these. Those little pieces, and I had some pieces left over, made quite a few dangles, and I think they turned out really nice. Let's start with this tag. Now, this is how, an example of how they would look on a tag that we made. We made this tag on the video. Now, the video where I made all these is on it's on YouTube. I don't know the name of it. I was trying to think what the name of it was. But what I'll do is I'll link it in the description box below. And that way you'll be able to find it if you want to see how I made these before I put them together. Okay, so this is just one of the tags that we made. And, I had a picture on here, and I put some cardboard here, and you can kind of see some fabric and a button and some bling, and it says made with love. I thought that was really sweet. And so let's kind of begin with the dangles. Okay, this has a piece of cardboard with some paint and some lace, and one of I call them license plates, and then a flag. Okay, this one has made with love, a little tab, and then a flag, and I put some bling. I don't know if you can see that bling. Let's try and do it back and forth. Yeah, you can see it a little bit on the tips. I think it turned out cute. And some lace on that one. Okay, and some of these, I painted, oops, I pushed it too far, sorry. And some of these I painted black on the back. Okay, this one has several things on it. It has a little spacer bead and 3 different kinds of fabric. 2 different kinds of fabric? I don't know. No, 3 different kinds of fabric. It has a license plate, and it has a just for you tag. I don't know what these are called. Label. Yeah. Next one, I have a pearl, and then one of the license plates. And I went around the side, put some some different colors, some silver and stuff to make it look more metally. This one is black on the back. This one also has some old lace and a picture. Oh, I keep scooching up. A picture of an angel with a tiny, tiny bit of bling right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I can bring that forward. No, you can't really see it on camera. But it says join. It has a little bling bead there. And the old lace and the license plate, I call them. And this one has a small, it's a tag. And it has a piece of fabric and a tiny, what do they call it? Close clip, and a label that's been resined, of course, and says just for you. Okay, this one here, this is a shorty. It has a piece of lace and some fabric, 3 different kinds of fabric, and then the shorty triangle, which has been resin. I ran out of breath there for a second. And a little tiny spacer bead there on top. This one here has the license plate, a piece of cheesecloth, just a little piece of coffee dye paper, and then a flag. Okay, no bling on that one. This one has a label saying London, and a fabric, and a blank label, and then another triangle that is resined. Okay, now we're gonna, I don't want to make you dizzy, but I'm going to turn this around. Okay, so be prepared. There we go. Now this one here has a piece of beautiful lace. Got turned around here somehow. I can't get it right. Oh, there we go. Oops, back in the screen. Lace and a license plate and a label, resined. Okay, this one here has a, I don't know if you could see better if I zoomed in a little bit and then got in the right place. Right here, license plates, lace, and this one doesn't have resin on it, but this is one of the, I think it has Mod Podge on it, and some splatters, yeah. And it's one of the triangles. Next up is a pearl, some lace, a label. I made it kind of grungy and tried to make it look like it was, you know, metal, and had some, you know, rust growing on it. And then a license plate. Next one is, this one has a fabric and lace, a license plate. That I tried to doctor up some, make it look rusty. These are resined, and I don't know what that says, with you something, and a tiny little tag. And this one here has a license plate and a triangle. I don't know how I can't get that one in my head. A triangle, a piece of lace, a piece of fabric with a tiny clothespin. Okay. And then the last two, this one is kind of a specialty one. It's made like especially for this person right here. I used, I have some of these blanks. Oh, please. I have some of these blanks. Excuse me, now I'm getting the hiccups. And some beads that I made. These are some of the beads I talked about. Well, maybe in some of my videos. And a chain. A piece of old lace. And a flag. It says unforgettable. So this is kind of a, you know, special for this lady. If you're putting it on a, oh, let's see, you know, the side of a journal or the front of a journal or something like that, you know, and you're doing a vintage journal, this would be awesome on there. And then last but not least, we have our a license plate. We have a couple different pieces of fabric on this one. One of our little spacer beads. And then a gold safety pin that I've gathered the bottom lace here, like from her sleeve or something, and added 2 pearls, and then the license plate. So I think these turned out lovely. I'm real happy with the way these turned out. I put them in this little piece of cardboard here, you know, and I put all the holes, all the holes in so that it would, you know, hold these. And then I'm just going to put a clip on it to keep them together until I use them all. And then I'll make some more, maybe some different kind. But I thought this was a pretty good little cardboard thing. I have a couple of these and I might use them for that purpose. Okay. So guys, that's really all I had to show you, how these little dangles came out. And like I said, I will put down the address to, well, I'll put the link to my other video where I made all these, and it was kind of fun doing them. I had a fun time with using the resin and stuff. So, okay, this is all I have in this short little video, and I'll be having some more videos coming up. I'm going to do some more today. So you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time, okay? Take care.